Here's the news of the day. Joby Aviation has submitted its letter of intent to become a certified air taxi operator in the UAE, aiming to launch electric air taxi services for faster, cleaner transportation. UAVOS has developed new composite rotor blades for helicopters, offering improved performance, reduced costs, and better durability in harsh environments. Mercy Air conducted landing zone training with U.S. Borax emergency response team, focusing on helicopter safety and emergency patient transport at California's largest open pit mine. Rotor announced a strategic cooperation with Egypt's Petroleum Air Services to support fleet growth and operational capabilities, focusing on helicopter sales and market intelligence. Aviation UK added a Bombardier Global 6000 to its fleet, offering 12 passenger capacity, long-range flights, and steep approach certification for challenging airports. Stack Aero partnered with Azera to offer carbon emission tracking and management, allowing users to calculate emissions and purchase carbon credits. Fire crews are battling the bridge fire in the San Gabriel Mountains, which has burned 1,255 acres and prompted evacuations and road closures with 0% containment as of Monday morning. The South Australian Country Fire Service will conduct aerial firefighting drills in the Mid-North area, using smoke canisters to simulate bushfires and train air operations personnel from September 10th to 13. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.